Hello everyone, welcome to the NIRA channel. Dear students, in the last class we have seen how to find the solution of the given equation in two variable. Then how many solution has the linear equation in two variables? We know that it has the infinite many solutions, and we have seen the exercise number 4.2 first and second main. Today we will discuss about the third main from the same exercise. See, try to understand question what they given and what they asked to find. So check which of the following are solution of the equations. We know that when you can see the equations, either they given the two values of the x and y. If you substitute the here means you should get the LHS equal to RHS, both side balance, then you can say that given values are solutions of the given equation. So given equation is x minus 2y is equal to 4, and which are the not? They given the all solutions and all values. You have to put the x and y. We have to check it, either you get the LHS equal to RHS or not. If you getting the LHS equal to RHS, then you can say that it is the solution of the given equation, otherwise no. Correct. So children, so given equation is first one, x minus 2y is equal to 4. So put the first one, x is equal to what they given. This is the x value, this is y. X, y, x, y, so on. Correct. So x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2. Then put the given values in the equation. So x means 0 minus 2 into y means 2 is equal to 4. So minus into plus 2 or 2 into minus 2 minus 4 is equal to plus 4. Either LHS is equal to RHS is there? No. So LHS is not equal to RHS. So given values are, it is not a solution. It is not a solution of the equation. I hope you understood, children. Very simple is there. So come to the next term. Now equations is same. X minus 2y is equal to 4. So what is the second solution? What they given? 2. Put x is equal to 2. Y is equal to how much is that? 0. So x 2 minus 2 into y means 0 is equal to 4. So 2 minus 2 into 0, according to BODMAS you have to multiply. Don't do the first this one. BODMAS multiplication first. Minus 2 into 0, 0. 2 into 0, 0 is equal to 4. So LHS is not equal to RHS. So it is not solution. Correct. So similar, check that few more examples. So third one. What is the third one? 4 and 0. 4 and 0. Equation is same. X minus 2y is equal to 4. So put x is equal to 4, y is equal to 0. So x is equal to 4 minus 2 into y means 0 is equal to 4. 4 minus 2 into 0, 0. Correct. Let it be. So is equal to 4. So here LHS is equal to RHS. So what you can say that therefore 4 and 0 is a solution of the equation. Solution of the given equation. Correct, children. So still two are there. See, one more will do that. Fourth one. See what is the fourth one. Fourth question is root 2 and 4 root 2. Equation is same. X minus 2y is equal to 4. Put x is equal to root 2, y is equal to 4 root 2. So same, substitute the values. So x means root 2 and minus 2 into y means 4 into root 2 is equal to 4. Correct. So root 2 multiply this coefficient of the root 2 and this. Now 4 2s are 8 into root 2 is equal to 4. So see the next, children. Now 1 time root 2 minus 8 root 2 means how much? Minus 7 root 2 is equal to 4. So LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore it is not solution. It is not solution. Correct. So one more is there, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. See the fifth one, 1 they given. Same equation, x minus 2y is equal to 4. Put x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. So x means 1 minus 2 into y means 1 is equal to 4. 1, 2 1s are minus 2 is equal to 4. Plus 1 minus 2 minus 1 is equal to 4. LHS is not equal to RHS. So it is not solution. It is not solution. Now see the next main, that is third main. See what is the third main question. See, not third one, fourth main student. See what the given question, find the value of k if x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1 is a solution of the equation. Yes, if the solution of the equation x is 2, y is 1, these are the solutions of the given equation is, what is that? 2x plus 3y is equal to k. They ask the question to find the value of k. Same equation again. So see the solution. See what is the given equation? 2x plus 3y is equal to k. They ask the question to find the k is equal to question mark. Then x is equal to how much the given? 2 and y is equal to 1. Put the given equation. 2 into x means how much the given? 2 plus 3y. 3 into y means 1 is equal to k as it is. I hope you understood, children. So 2 2s are 4 plus 3 1s are 3 is equal to k. So k is equal to 4 plus 3, 7. This is the value of the k. K is equal to 7. So children, I hope you understood these all examples. Very simple concepts is there. So in the next class we'll see that by graphical method how to find the solution of the equation. So we'll see in the next class. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.